Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, February 4th of 2020. And for today's morning announcements, we have a couple that just to remind people about. For our World's Finest Chocolate fundraiser, if you can get that money in by February 13th, that would be great. We would take it no later than February 18th that following week. And I'm proud to announce, actually, we have sold out of all chocolate. So if you are selling one box and you're still working on that one box, it would only be one box that you'd be able to sell because we are totally sold out of chocolate. So thank you, boys and girls, for always making this fundraiser successful. It is very much appreciated. And like I said before, we do get lots of fun things such as the swing and the new basketball hoop, for things that you guys raised for the World's Finest Chocolate fundraiser. So thank you very much for selling out of all the chocolate. Now we can just have the money come back. So that would be awesome. Our Valentine's Day dance is happening this Friday on February 7th from 5:30 until 7 o'clock. So if you are wanting to attend that, please make sure you tell your parents. If you are kindergarten through second grade student, your parent has to stay with you the entire time that you're here for the dance. If you are a third through fifth grade student, you can be dropped off. Your parents just need to sign you in and out for the dance. After school club today is math. So we have math happening after school today for our math club. And for our February birthdays to announce, we have none. No birthdays today. So we have a couple of birthdays coming up this week, but no birthdays for February 4th. And for our lunch choices for today, we have cheeseburger, Bosco sticks, or ham and cheese sandwich. And today we have our Paws brought to us by Mrs. Lake's second grade students.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and today we have 4 students here from Mrs. Lake's second grade students.
Play by the rules. Don't bully people. When you have indoor recess, use your indoor voices. When you have indoor recess, make sure to put the toys away.
Good examples. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with a hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a wonderful day today. Have a terrific Tuesday, and try your best on everything that you do. Have a great day.